How easy is it for me, an everyday guy with a small budget, to build a car that is A, better looking than your standard production car, and B, faster than your average modern day sports car? Well, today we're going to find out. Because this is my new old 2011 Volkswagen Golf GTI that I bought for a great price, and my plans for this car are simple. First of all, we need to fix it up and repair it. Secondly, we need to modify it because from factory, they just aren't aggressive enough. So we're going to change the entire thing. And thirdly, we're going to tune it because we're making a street build. And with a street build, you need power. So we're going bigger and better. Now you're probably wondering why I bought this and why it was such a good deal. And there's two main points. And the first one is the bodywork. Like this bumper, for example, it is scuffed and the rest of the car isn't too good either. There is dents on near enough every single panel. And the second one is the fact that this car has 140,000 miles on the clock, making it one of the highest mileage GTIs in the country. Now these cars are sat around £7,000, £8,000, £9,000 on the market as we speak right now. And I bought this one for £6,000. Now you might think that's not a very great price to buy this car for. However, this car has a really good spec, one that you just don't come across too often. The first one, it has front and rear parking sensors. Secondly, it's a DSG. It has folding and heated mirrors, full leather interior with heated seats. It has the updated touchscreen, which the guy actually took out and put a Pioneer one in, which I'll probably end up taking out. LED headlights, which have seen better days, and they do need some help because they're cracked. And the best part about it is, it has a sunroof. And a car with this spec will run you £10,000. That is the cheapest one that I could find. And I got this for £6,000. Now that leaves me with a £3,000 to £4,000 budget before I start losing money on this car. So we're going to build this car carefully, watching our budget, and I'm going to keep track of everything that I buy for this car to make sure we don't go over that £10,000 threshold. Now how do I know that I'm going to be able to build this car in a £4,000 budget? Well, we did it on my previous Golf. We bought the car for £2,500 and we put about £3,000 into it, turning it from this to this. So I know it's possible. But first, we need to know what we need to do to this car to fix it before we start doing any silly stuff to it. So we're going to give this car a good clean so we know exactly what we need to do to it and hope that we don't go over that threshold. But I know it's possible because we did it on my last build. So let's get to cleaning this car.
What the hell is that?
So now the car's been cleaned, we can get a full look at what this car actually needs. And going round it, it's actually not too bad, is it?
No, it's not.
Like, considering this car has 140,000 miles on it, it's 14 years old. We'll go around and show you exactly what this car needs. So first of all, the bumper. As we know, it is scuffed here and the paintwork isn't the best. It looks like it's had a dodgy repair. This is all melted for whatever reason. I don't understand how that's happened, but
out of everything, yeah.
I think we're going to change this anyway because we do want to put the Golf R bumper, because like I said, we do want to change the entire look of this car. So the front bumper will get changed, so I'm not really too concerned about that. The headlights definitely need flattening and polishing because they're completely cracked. It's almost as if they've been lacquered, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the hardeners all died on it, yeah. So
rattle can.
we're going to have to try and sort them out. The bonnet definitely needs painting because it's got loads of stone chips, like big chips taken out of it, and lacquer peel. And all down here, as you can see, the paint has peeled off, so I don't know if it'll touch in. I'll probably end up getting the bonnet painted alone because that is pretty shabby, isn't it? Very. The wing is scratched. Tried to touch it up and it looks horrific. Nice. I did notice as well as I was cleaning it, this mirror cover is actually
it's loose. Oh, it comes out completely.
Yeah, it's not actually on. See how it's like caught there?
Yeah.
So that's gonna
fly off down the motorway.
Yeah. That's gonna come off. This door is probably the worst out of the lot. So you've got a dent there, and there's a dent here. I reckon the dent man will be able to get that out.
Yeah, there's a few little like stone chips that's starting to turn a little bit rusty, but nothing too bad.
The car definitely needs a full polish, so we'll book it in for a detail because I think once this is polished, it's going to look really good. All them dents taken out. This door, again, I don't even know what they're from. Like that.
It can't even like a door opening. It's like, I don't even...
Unless the door was on its side.
Does this mean it's been rolled?
Crease, dent. There's another dent here somewhere there. So them two doors need the most work, I think. The wing needs painting. This, again, sideways, what are they from? Dent here, I think. Dent there.
Yeah,
so this whole side needs the most amount of work. There's a few little scratches. They should polish out. The roof is actually okay, and the paintwork, again, is really nice. The rear bumper is pretty good. However, it's scratched, scuffed on the top there. So that will need painting. Tailgate is really good, no damage on it.
Best part of the car.
We need to get rid of them exhaust tips, don't we?
Yeah, they're too small and
they're
really
diabolical.
aged.
They're too small. This quarter is pretty good, except it's got a scratch there and a tiny little dent there. Dent man should be able to get that out. That might even polish.
There's a little dent there as well.
Yeah. Just loads of little dents.
Yeah.
That door is okay, except for that long scratch
going across there.
That'll quite easily polish out. This door, oh, looking at it now properly, that door's been painted.
Yeah, it's very orange peel.
Yeah, that lacquer is completely different to that lacquer, which looks like factory lacquer. So.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you've got, as I didn't realise, but Jason just pointing out, there is a big chunk taken out of that sill where I think they've tried to jack it up and it's just killed it completely.
Of course, it's also then pulled that out as well.
Yeah. Probably end up taking them side skirts off, won't we?
Yeah, definitely.
We'll put some nice side skirts on because I don't actually know if I like them.
Yeah.
This wing is okay, it just needs polishing. There's a little scuff where obviously it's had that repair there, just there, as you can see in the sun. But nothing too crazy. The roof is pretty good, got some stone chips there, they can be touched in.
And then a bit
there. But overall, I mean, the wheels are all corroded, so
yeah,
it doesn't matter.
Because we need them some TLC.
The wheels are getting changed anyway, but it has got fresh PS5s on there, which is nice, so I just swapped them onto my new wheels.
Damn right, extra grip.
So the wheels, we'll get rid of them, but the bodywork for a car with 140,000 miles on is really good.
Yeah.
Right, so now we know what's wrong with the outside of the car. We're going to see what's wrong internally with the car. So we're going to plug it in with the car lead, and it's going to tell us exactly what is wrong with this car. Now, I have looked inside the glove box and there was a coil pack in there, so that tells me
something's happened to that car.
Something went wrong, so it might have a misfire. I'm assuming, because these aren't the original headlights, these are Edition 35 headlights, it's probably going to throw up a fault for that and probably the head unit because it's Pioneer, it's aftermarket. So we're going to plug it in. Hopefully there's no engine codes. Let's see what's wrong with it.
Probably a lot of things.
Right, where's the OBD for in these?
It's normally, I swear it's under there.
I'm used to BMWs. Brother.
Is it the passenger side? I don't know.
Oh yes. Gorgeous. Volkswagen Golf 2011. Connect.
Good.
Right, okay, right. What are you saying? What faults are you saying it's going to have?
I reckon it probably might still have a misfire fault on it, depending
A
on
misfire? Oh yeah, look.
Yeah.
It's because of this.
Yeah.
Probably worth checking which one they took out. It's a genuine one though.
But did they replace it with a genuine one?
Definitely not. Diagnostics, check for issues.
Looking for it because there's no faults on the dash at all.
Yeah, I've got a washer fluid fault, that's it. And
That's
it starts
probably
and
'cause
runs
it's low.
nicely. Yeah, it's because it's low, Jason. Needs
Yeah.
topping up. Right, 7, 8 issues found.
Oh, this is not looking good.
Show results.
Oh,
Very bad.
Oh no. Engine's the red.
Right, telephone, 3 issues. That's going to be
The radio because it's aftermarket.
aftermarket radio. Ignore that one. Oh no. Yeah, zoom in on that one. Engine, 2 issues. React immediately. Tensioning bow, raised position switch. Absorbers in front right hard. Says be careful.
That sounds promising.
This one says react immediately in red.
I mean, if your tension about's loose, yeah.
Heated exterior. I told you.
Yeah, because of the wing mirror.
I bet you have put like a fake one on that doesn't have the heated elements.
No.
I bet they have. Look at that. Other systems, green, green, green.
That's what we like to see.
So-
Everything.
The only issues, we need to react to this one immediately. So he said the tensioner, well, he said the belts were done. That would tell me the belts haven't been done.
No.
Right, let's
Or if
clear
they
the
have been
code.
done, haven't been done very well.
Clear the codes.
Yeah. And forget about it. Nothing's wrong with the car.
This is why I say we need it servicing. 140k and the belts haven't been done. That's bad.
Very bad. Now.
I know it cleared.
I cleared it. But then if you go and have a drive and then come back and plug it back in, it'll probably throw it back up again.
Well, the engine's running. If it doesn't pop back up, then I'm going to have to get it done anyhow.
Yeah, I would. But
Put it in the comments because I want to know. Can you check if anyone's done the belts on it without taking apart the engine? Can you just look and see if there's any telltale signs? Put it in the comments because I do want to know.
looking at that,
Considering you've got, that's literally the screen, telephone screen, CAN gateway. That is the screen, navigation, and then the passenger door.
yes, it's literally
Which
just
is
the
just the
radio
mirror.
and just that mirror. That's it. So on a whole, that's not actually that bad.
I think we've got a steal with this car.
I think you have. At
I
this
think
rate,
this is a
definitely.
steal. Right, I'm happy. Oh my god. Oh, my heart just dropped.
Why?
It said mileage 184,000.
Oh,
But it's in
clock back?
kilometres.
Oh.
Oh my god. I just, I almost
Imagine.
died. Okay, so, that's pretty good. I'm happy. It's a good base to start off. It does need paintwork. Of course, bonnet, other bits need painting. But as a starting point, it doesn't actually need as much as I thought it did. Next on the list, we're going to have to get the service parts on this done. Full service, probably end up getting a gearbox service on it. And then we can start modifying it. But saying that, we have got mods lined up.
Yes.
And I kind of want to put them on beforehand. In the next video, we're going to be doing a bit more. We're going to be modifying it, and then in future videos, we're going to be bulking up as much as possible, getting the headlights sorted, getting the bumpers sorted, painted, polished, everything we're going to get done. And then we're going to be changing the suspension on it as well. We want coilovers on it because we're going full street build. So we're going to tune it, engine stuff, whatever we need to do, change everything on it. Wheels, bumpers, side skirts, the lot, get it polished, make it look beautiful.
Till you map it and then the engine blows up because how much mileage is on it.
Why you said that?
I'm just one of these haters.
The car's going to die now.
Yeah, it is.
I'm going to drive this tomorrow. It's just going to go bang.
I'm rebuilding the engine.
Yeah. So we have faith. So in the next video, we're probably going to be doing some modifications before the service parts on it because we're stupid and I want to get the mods on as soon as possible. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.